The hashtag skincare has billions of views on popular social media sites like TikTok and Instagram. But skin docs are warning there's a lot of unsafe advice out there. Here are 5 alarming skincare trends according to the American Academy of Dermatology. Number 1, performing cosmetic procedures at home. It's the most worrisome trend, according to board-certified dermatologists who warn do-it-yourself treatments like microneedling and injecting fillers increase the risk of infection and improper techniques. Number 2, trying nasal tanning spray. While using self-tanner is a safe way to get bronzed, nasal tanning spray is not. Videos promoting the practice show people inhaling the spray and then sunbathing without sunscreen. Not only is the active ingredient in nasal tanning spray unsafe, according to the Academy, but unprotected sun exposure ups your risk for skin cancer, age spots, and wrinkles. Number 3, using hot peppers for fuller lips. The temporary plump you're promised from hot peppers, like Scotch Bonnet or Habanero, can cause eczema or other rashes that leave dark spots around the mouth or on the lips that are hard to get rid of. Number 4, taking supplements randomly. It can be risky without first consulting your doctor. One dermatologist warns ingredients in supplements advertised for skin, hair, and nails have been linked to birth defects, an increase in cancer risk, and even side effects such as acne and hair loss. Finally, number 5, skipping the sunscreen. It's a hotly debated topic on social media right now. Some people are claiming sunscreen can cause cancer, which is not backed by science. The Academy says there's currently no evidence that shows sunscreen ingredients available in the U.S. are harmful to human health.